Boris Johnson says this is moment of maximum risk. The UK is at the moment of maximum risk in the coronavirus outbreak. Boris Johnson has said, as argued, people not to lose patience with the lockdown. Speaking outside number 10 for the first time since recovering from the virus, Mr. Johnson said, "We are now beginning to turn the tide on the disease." He said lockdown would not be relaxed too soon and details on any changes will be set out over the coming days. But some post NH England services such as cancer care are to resume, and the families of frontline NHS and social care staff who die with coronavirus will receive £60,000 payment, the government has announced. It comes as the latest daily figures show a further 360 people died with the virus in hospitals, taking the total number of deaths to 21,092. This number includes 82 NH staff and 16 care workers who have died in hospitals in England. The UK death figure do not include people who died in the community, for example, in care homes, or people who have died in their own homes. The Prime Minister returned to Downing Street on Sunday after more than 3 weeks of sick. Mr. Johnson said he understood concern from the business owners who were impatient to end the lockdown, but ending it too soon could lead to a second spike in cases and cause more death. He said there were real signs now that we are passing through the peak, including with fewer hospital admissions and fewer COVID-19 patients in intensive care. Mr. Johnson said once the UK is meeting the 5 tests for easing restrictions, including a consistent fall in the death rate and making sure the NHS can cope, then that will be the time to move on to the second phase in the fight against the outbreak.